Kailangan natin ng may information boundaries. Do you share every business detail with your family or in-laws? Abby and Jason once struggled with this. They ran a hardware store and Abby's whole family lived dyan lang sa tabi. For a long time, si Abby, sinishare niya lahat ng nangyayari sa negosyo nila tulad ng daily sales, staff problems, even yung kanyang arguments with Jason at saka yung kanilang money worries. Akala niya, being a good daughter meant being fully transparent. Pero yung family niya always had something to say. Palitan mo na yung cashier mo o kaya ang baba ng kita nyo, baka hindi siya masipag. And before they knew it, family gatherings felt like business meetings. Ang awkward, di ba? Habang si Abe ay iniisip niya na tama yung kanyang ginagawa, si Jason naman felt disrespected. Kaya one time, an uncle criticized Jason's decision to add new product lines. Masakit pero tumahimik na lang siya. When they reached out to me for consultation, si Abby at saka si Jason had a long, serious talk about boundaries. Nag-agree sila sa napakalinaw na information limits. Family can know general updates like we are doing well or we are expanding. Pero yung specific numbers, yung conflicts, at yung daily operations, para lang sa kanilang dalawa. So when her father asked, magkano bang kinikita ninyo monthly? Abby simply said, oh, we're doing well pa. Nakakabayad kami ng mabilis and we are saving for our goals. Kaya, nung mga relatives naman ang nagtanong tungkol sa kanilang business decisions, sabi naman ni Abby is, napag-usapan na namin yan as a couple, ginahandle naman namin yan ng mabuti. Siyempre, nung una, her family felt left out. But Abby explained, and eventually, naintindihan nila. Ang lesson is this: control what you share. Mag-share ng sapat pero hindi sobra. Protect your relationship at saka yung inyong peace. Kaya anak, focus and be business-minded, Pinoy.